What's up, guys? Got another package here. I already opened it for a little Instagram video, so now I'm doing a YouTube one. So the box is already a little jacked up. But let's check this bad boy out. Boom! A new TRX-4 High Trail Edition. I did one not too long ago with the older F-150, and this one is a Chevy Blazer, K5 Blazer. So it comes in red and cool blue. It's a little bit different than the typical blue. You kind of see all the different. Oh wait, hold on, wrong side. See all the different features there. Now it does have some really cool lights here in the bumpers, which looks pretty cool on the graphics here. You can see the two red and the blue there. It's all the typical features of the existing High Trail. It's got that nice tall stance, get over all the rocks, portals, all that good stuff. So let's open this bad boy up and check out all the details in the body. Hold on. Do the other side. So I think most of you have seen the controller, but it's a controller here. Has a switch here for all the extra goodies. Just need to slap some batteries in that bad boy. And here we go. Oh wait, hold on. Comes with a manual, a couple little tools, a couple cool stickers. And here we go. There it is. So it's definitely got a very nice grill in there. And you can see the extra lights here. So I'm guessing they're gonna have a more in detail light kit for this one. So it's got a couple extra lights here. Got the headlights here. It's got the regular tail light stuff, but nothing extra in the back. But I don't think there was any extra on a Blazer back then. Of course, it's got the nice details of mirrors and handles. And it's definitely a different blue. It's pretty cool though. I'm digging it. And you can see all the details here with the chrome trim, the little wood there, wood paneling. And it has that in the back too here. Nice little cool wood paneling. So definitely super cool. Oh, now I just realized this now. So you got the lights here. So there'll be added lights for that. So like how the front has them in the bumper here. It has the added lights here. And it even has a little handle for the trunk where normally the window would pop up. It's pretty cool. Definitely digging that. Got some chrome wheels here. You see it's got the lockers here. It's different hub from the center there, so it shows off that it's got a locker in the front there. And then it has the regular nice little snap setup for the body mounting system. I always grab the wrong spot there. There we go. And the body pops off nice and easy. See all the mounting in there. Oh, I just noticed the gas tank or gas cap. And TRX-4, basic same setup. Battery goes in the center. Got a nice little seal box for the receiver. Got a Titan 21 turn. A couple little micro receivers here to do run the lockers and everything, and all the little extra goodies. Has the normal spots for to run some rock lights. Definitely gonna put some rock lights on this bad boy. Get it all ready for Proland by the Fire, which is coming up. And definitely be a sweet little rig to take out at night with all those lights. But yeah, I'll go ahead and take it out right now and charge the battery and test it out in the dirt. So stay tuned for that footage.